Hey y'all, welcome back to my page. If you haven't been here before, hello, how are you? And I hope you're having an amazing day. So, today for Mental Health Monday, I decided I was going to sit down and build a Lego set. It actually took me about an hour and something to get it completed, but I broke it down in 6 minutes to give you this little tidbit of what I was able to identify as I did this building. So, let's just call this the art of rebuilding. I want you guys to think about this. Have you ever looked down at your life and realized that everything you spent years building is suddenly lying in pieces at your feet? I know. It's an overwhelming feeling, isn't it? When that relationship ends, when a career shifts, or when a version of yourself that you thought you'll be forever just shatters. Your initial instinct might be to panic, to look at the mess and think, how did I get here? Why did this happen to me? But I want you to take a deep breath with me right now. Look at what's in front of you. When a Lego structure falls apart, we don't look at the pieces on the floor and declare them useless. We don't sweep them into the trash and say the whole thing was a waste of time. No, we recognize them for what they actually are: raw materials. Every single shattered piece is full of potential. Being broken isn't the end of your story. It's simply the exact amount and moment before your ultimate rebuild begins. Before you start grabbing pieces and trying to force them back together in a rush, you have to look at the blueprint. In life, your blueprint is your healing. It's your self-awareness. It's sitting down with yourself on a quiet Monday like this and asking, what kind of life do I actually want to build from here? The beautiful thing about starting over from scratch is that you no longer are bound to the old design. You don't have to put yourself back together the exact same way you were before. If the old structure couldn't withstand the storm, why would you rebuild it identical to the failure? This time, you get to be the architect. You get to decide what stays, what goes, and what gets completely redesigned. Maybe the old version of you didn't know how to say no. Maybe the old version of you let people walk all over your boundaries. As you look at these pieces today, realize you have the power to change the foundation. You are building for strength this time, not just appearance. Now comes the work, and let's be direct about it. Rebuilding is a process. It happens brick by brick, piece by piece. There are going to be days when your hands shake. There will be moments where you try to make a piece fit and it just won't click. You might get frustrated. You might look at how much you have left to build and want to walk away from the table entirely. That's completely normal. When you're rebuilding your life, you are learning new habits, healing old traumas, and stepping into unfamiliar territories. It takes time for the new pieces to click into place. Each brick you pick up right now represents its choice. When you choose to protect your peace, it's a brick. When you choose to speak kindly to yourself, it's a brick. When you choose to stand up for your worth, that's another brick. So don't rush it. The beauty isn't just in the finished product, it's in the patience it takes to place every single piece with intention. So as the structure starts to form, you'll begin to see it: a new shape, a familiar alignment. You'll realize that the version of you that is emerging from this process is so much stronger than the version that fell apart. Why? Because this version is built on experience. Every single piece you've picked up off the floor represents a lesson you've learned. It represents a boundary you finally had to conquer to set, or inner strength you didn't even know you possessed until you had no choice but to find it. You aren't just putting yourself back together. You're reinforcing your spirit. You are creating a life that is resilient, authentic, and uniquely yours. The cracks where you were broken are now the very places where your light and your wisdom shine through the brightness. So as we step into this week, I want you to incredibly gentle with your progress. You don't have to finish the entire build by tonight. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. Healing isn't a race, and rebuilding isn't an overnight job. If all you manage to do today is to find two pieces that fit together, then celebrate that. That is the progress. That is growth. Take it one single piece at a time. Trust the process. Trust the architect in you. And remember that you have everything you need to restore your joy. Happy Mental Health Monday. Let's get to building.